Elementary school. Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to Juwan's channel.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Jui, and today we're gonna explore Accra, the capital of Ghana, with me just going shopping, playing bowling, and eating. First day. On the second day, I'm going to have a reunion with my elementary school friends at Polo Beach Club, so stay tuned for that. And I just wanted to add that I'm really thankful for all the subscription, likes, and comments from you guys. I'm just thankful for the support, and I can't believe it's over 800 subscribers. So really, thank you for that, you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Looks like you're enjoying life. Skirt.
The second one we went,
You're so scary.
It was so scary. It's like you're upside down and you're so close to the ground.
I didn't even ask you guys. I'm just kidding,
There's
bro.
like videos of here or something.
Accra's happiest places.
We should go on this one.
Yay! Like the teacup. Uncle Sammy's special kebab.
They're changing your wallet.
I've changed. I think I've changed. Yay! Do you need change? How much?
It's all in the same thing.
It smells kind of good. It smells good.
I don't think it's Uncle Ben level though. Uncle Ben is something else.
You have so much faith in the guy.
His name is Ben?
I don't even know, bro.
The short one. Like the main one.
Yeah,
The main one.
the boss. The main character.
What do you feel about this? Is it too small? I might get both of them. I feel like it looks just so good on this look right now. Like, it looks very Korean traditional for some reason. So the traditional hat I'm talking about is called kat, and the shape of it and also the idea of like tying it underneath your chin and everything just like kind of made me, think about it. But anyways. I might get it, girl.
The hat?
I bought too much hat here though, if you think about it. But how much
We're
is it,
actually
though?
wearing them though.
Oh, that's very true. But that was 5 cedi though. This one is gonna surprise me, wouldn't it?
Isn't it from you?
No, it's from here.
How much?
300 galaxies.
Oh. Bye bye.
I cannot afford you. Toodles. Yeah, that's 300. I can't. I got all the problem in the world. Look at that Netflix.
Let me get a book for this.
Oh, okay. That was in the 10 CD bucket. Okay. Oh, really? He thinks it's more than that. Take the dress.
Kids maybe, but
Mostly kids.
the bowling.
Oh, that's cute. I bought a socks, bro. 15 CDs, guys. Well, I strongly advise you to wear a socks or at least take a socks because you'll need one. Otherwise, you'll have to buy it from here. Anyways, the fee for the bowling was 125 CDs per game. And there's also a trampoline and a pool table there and other areas. For further information, group of 5 to 9 for bowling and trampoline, you get 5% off. And a group of 10 or more people, you get, for bowling and trampoline again, you can get 10% off the rate. So there's a bar and slash restaurant outside, and also in here there's Pinocchio, so you can have ice cream inside here. The opening hour is from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m., so you can just really go whenever, I think. Well, for spoilers, I didn't get that too. Anyways, in my future vlogs, you get to see the bowling center at the small palace in Cantonments. So just to show you the comparison between two, stay tuned for that as well in the future vlogs. So day 2, as I told you, is a reunion with my elementary school friends, who I schooled with from 3rd grade to 6th grade at SOS. After so many years, we got in touch through Instagram and decided to meet up for lunch.
Let's start.
Cheers to
Oh my gosh, shocking.
meeting again.
Yeah, the
So
reunion. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, nice! If I remember right, we had a burger bite and a goat meat pizza, also kelewele, and I forgot the last menu. So to my left side is Marianne, and to my right is Idel. Marianne was my best friend in elementary from like 3rd grade to I think 5th grade, I think.
Oh god, the sun. Hey, I don't think it should be in this direction though.
You're right.
You can open your eyes.
I wish I could show you guys some old photos of us from elementary, but unfortunately we weren't like using our phones back then much. So right now we're just spending a lot of time recording and making this moment last. So Marianne and Idel kept in touch because they went to the same university as well later, but it's, for me, the last time I saw them was 6th grade, so it's been like 11 to 12 years since I saw them, so it was really awesome. I think so, the idea of eating healthy fruits and all these things. So we were just discussing about Idel's business, which is called Idelicious Farms or Delicious Lifestyle, which you can follow on Instagram. They offer you with like fruit baskets, fruit juice, and fruit cake, mainly really focusing on like healthy lifestyle and well-being, also like hospitality. After I met her, I ordered from Idelicious Farms and it was really awesome. It was really beautiful packaging and everything. Like, I do recommend it for gifts.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I actually have a YouTube channel. Oh, you do? My reunion with my elementary school. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to Juwon's channel.
So right out the entrance, there's a stair that goes down that connects to the beach. And also there are seats and like sunbeds that you can sit outside and chill there as well. But there might be a lot of horses around, so if you don't like that, you should just sit indoors, like inside. Here's nice to just sit down and chill too. Not at all. I might go barefooted actually.
Maybe we should definitely guys.
We could do that. Or we can walk within. I don't mind. So in Ghana, it's very common to find like horses on the beach because it's one of the fun activities to do on the beach, and all these horse owners, or maybe not the owner, I'm not sure, they'll try and come to get you to ride their horse in order to get like more money. But first they might not approach you to pay, but then just try and like, you know, go for a ride and then ask you for money to feed their horses and stuff. But anyway, it is actually a fun activity, but then I wasn't ready for it today.
It's called Genesis.
Genesis, oh, okay. Nice.
So I'll take you one picture. Later on when you come, I'll give you a nice ride on it.
Oh, next time we'll come back. Next time we'll ride.
It's called Genesis. Yeah, I'll give
Today I'm not dressed like riding. It's fine. Next time we'll come and ride. Today we're not dressed for it. So just a quick tip for travelers: if a seller is trying to like insist in selling you something but you don't want it, just don't be like, no, I don't want it, or like, no, I'm fine, things like that. They'll keep trying to pursue. Just a quick tip is just to say next time, or like I'll come back, or next time is the magic word, guys. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's cute up here.
Okay, then the sun is this way.
No, you pray. So I'm closing my eyes. Pray.
I'm not ready for this yet.
You don't have to be ready to pray. Just anything. Anything.
Okay.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
Okay, dear Lord Father, thank you for everything today. You've provided us with the time and the health to be able to meet each other and reconnect after all these years. We're very grateful for the opportunity and to be able to meet up again and hopefully continue this relationship for the rest of our lives. And thank you for everything. I pray in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen!
Okay, let's say bye.
Bye!